Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a compact luxury SUV that delivers a refined driving experience, premium tech, and head-turning design, you're going to want to stick around. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Audi Q3 and the latest evolution of Audi's best-selling compact SUV. Sleeker, smarter, and more efficient than ever before, the new Q3 brings big upgrades to a small SUV package. Let's break it all down. Body panels. The 2026 Audi Q3 introduces more sculpted and aerodynamic body panels that enhance its visual presence and performance. The shoulder lines are sharper, and the lower side creases flow more dynamically into the rear, creating a sportier silhouette. Aluminum trim elements along the lower body lend a premium edge, while strategically placed cladding around the wheel arches emphasizes the Q3's crossover capability. Not just about looks, the panels are engineered for lightweight strength, improving efficiency while maintaining crash safety. It's design that performs. Headlights. Up front, the Q3 now features next-generation matrix LED headlights as standard on most trims. These advanced lights use multiple individually controlled LEDs that adapt to oncoming traffic, illuminating the road ahead without blinding other drivers. The sharp, angular signature LED daytime running lights give the Q3 a modern, aggressive look, and the dynamic turn indicators add that signature Audi flair. Taillights. Around back, the taillights are equally striking. The new LED units span a wider portion of the rear, giving the Q3 a broader stance. These lights also feature dynamic sequential signals and a subtle welcome animation when the vehicle is unlocked. Functionally, they provide improved visibility and response time for following drivers, which means a safer ride in all conditions. Grille. The front grille has grown wider and bolder, now styled with a new honeycomb pattern that reflects Audi's performance DNA. The octagonal single-frame design dominates the front fascia, flanked by gloss black or chrome accents, depending on trim level. It's not just about aesthetics. Behind the grille are active shutters that optimize airflow for better efficiency at highway speeds. Seats. Step inside the 2026 Q3 and you'll find an interior that feels distinctly upscale. The seats have been redesigned with improved bolstering, optional diamond stitching, and available ventilated Nappa leather upholstery. Both the front and rear seats offer generous comfort, with power adjustment and memory settings for the driver. The rear benches split folding and slides forward or back to prioritize either legroom or cargo space. Incredibly practical for a compact SUV. Dashboard. The dashboard blends minimalist design with high-end materials. You'll find soft touch surfaces throughout, with aluminum or open-pore wood inlays depending on the trim. The center console has been slightly tilted toward the driver for a cockpit-like feel. LED ambient lighting with 30 selectable colors enhances the atmosphere, perfect for nighttime cruising or long commutes. Infotainment system. At the heart of the interior is Audi's MMI touch response system, now presented on a crisp 11.9-inch center touchscreen, paired with a 10.25-inch virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster. The new interface is faster and more customizable, featuring enhanced graphics, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, integrated voice assistant, and cloud-based navigation with real-time traffic. For audiophiles, an optional Sonos premium audio system delivers studio-quality sound, perfect for your road trip playlists or daily podcasts. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is newly designed with a flat bottom option on S-line trims. It's wrapped in premium leather, heated in higher trims, and now features touch-sensitive controls that can adjust audio, navigation, or driver assistance settings. Paddle shifters behind the wheel allow for more dynamic driving, especially when using the AS mode or manual override. Engine. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi Q3 offers a refined 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 241 horsepower and 273 pounds-feet of torque, paired to a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission. That means punchy acceleration and smooth shifting whether you're merging onto the highway or navigating tight city traffic. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system is standard, delivering confident traction in all conditions: snow, rain, or dry pavement. Hybrid option. For the first time in the Q3, Audi introduces a mild hybrid system with a 48-volt architecture. This system doesn't power the vehicle directly but assists the engine during acceleration and recovers energy during braking, improving efficiency and reducing fuel consumption. Expect smoother stop-start transitions, slightly better fuel economy, and a quieter driving experience in urban settings. Airbags. Safety is always a priority, and the 2026 Q3 comes equipped with 8 standard airbags, including front, side, curtain, and a new driver's knee airbag. The cabin has been engineered to maximize occupant protection, with smart sensor placement and rapid inflation times to cushion occupants during impact. Parking assist. Audi's latest Park Assist Plus comes standard or optional depending on the trim. This system uses ultrasonic sensors and cameras to automatically steer the Q3 into tight parallel or perpendicular spots. All the driver has to do is control braking and shifting. Additionally, the 360-degree camera system with top-down view makes navigating narrow spaces stress-free, perfect for urban dwellers or parking garages. Price. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2026 Audi Q3 starts at around $39,000 for the base premium trim, which includes LED lighting, Quattro AWD, and the full digital cockpit. Stepping up to the Premium Plus brings the price to around $43,000, adding features like a panoramic sunroof, power tailgate, and adaptive cruise. The top-tier Prestige trim will set you back around $48,000, but includes the Sonos sound system, Matrix LED headlights, adaptive suspension, and the full suite of driver assistance tech. Ending note. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Audi Q3, a compact SUV that punches above its weight in luxury, performance, and tech. Whether you're looking for a stylish city cruiser or a capable all-weather family car, the Q3 delivers on all fronts with typical Audi precision and flair. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more premium car content, and leave a comment below. Would you pick the Q3 over its German rivals? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride. Would you like this turned into a video storyboard?